Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Toyota Sienna. This is a 7-passenger minivan in gray, driving on 18-inch wheels, and some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes a hood deflector, power sliding doors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to take a look inside the driver's side first. Now in the door you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. If you take a look inside, the Sienna comes equipped with gray fabric seating and all-weather mats. On the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. You have your display button, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display, where you can also see the Sienna has 61,124 kilometers on it. Now, if we take a look at our screen here, right now we are on the home screen, where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. If we take a quick peek in audio, you do also have your standard AM and FM. You also have choices for CD, USB, and auxiliary. Now, going into reverse, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. Underneath is the climate control settings. It is a dual zone up front, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You have the still dial in the middle for the temperature in the back there. Now, underneath you have some storage and cup holders. You do have an extra set in here as well. You have a little shelf along with your USB auxiliary, driver passenger heated seats, and your 12-volt outlet. Like I mentioned, this Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we can hold that left button in our key fob. Now if we sneak inside here, you can see we are continuing with the gray fabric and the all-weather mats. Behind the front passenger and driver's seats, you get some extra storage compartments as well. The rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle here, we can pull that upwards. The seats will fold, giving you access to your third row seating. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your tri-zone climate control system, heated seats, Bluetooth capabilities, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.